Good morning, class. So, class 5th, as you can see, this is chapter number 1. Today we will do the book exercises of chapter 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so this I know we have already done, but this is for them, those who have not done and have purchased their books before 1 or 2 days or this week only. Okay, so do your book exercises in your book only, and those exercises which are not in your book and those are given to you as homework, those exercises you will do in your grammar notebook. Understood? So again I want to make it clear, those exercises which are in your book, as this is in your book, this you will not write in your notebook. Understood? But the exercises which are not in your book but are given you as homework, those exercises you will do in your notebook. Okay, so today I'll give you the solution of those exercises which were given as homework. Okay, so first I will go with the book, your grammar book. Okay, so just have a pencil in your hand and fill in your book only. Okay, first make proper sentences of the following words. The great was, so what will be here? Ashoka the Great was the famous emperor of India. So Ashoka the Great was the famous emperor of India. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 7, 8, 9. Okay, in this way the words will come. Okay, which are given in a queue. The words which are given in a queue will come in this way to make a sentence from here. Okay, next, all that glitters is not gold. All that glitters is not gold. Okay, you can see 6, 4, 5, 3, 1, 2, they will come in that number in a sentence. First number all, second number that, third number glitters, fourth number is, fifth number not, sixth number gold. Okay, all that glitters is not gold. Now number third, the Bay of Bengal is in the southeast of India. The Bay of Bengal is lies to the southeast of India. Okay, so the Bay of Bengal lies to the southeast of India. Okay, next, Solomon was famous for his wisdom. Okay, Solomon was famous for his wisdom. Okay, next, the meeting started after the president arrived. Okay, the meeting started after the president arrived. Okay, now exercise number B. Write the kind of each of the following sentences. So sign of exclamation is there. This is what? May God bless you. This is may is there. So here we can see wish, there is a wish. Okay, so for wish and blessings we call them optative sentences. Please shut the door. This is imperative sentence. Do you eat non-vegetarian food? Question mark is there. So this is interrogative sentence. Okay, Hooray, our school has won the trophy. Sign of exclamation is there, and we can see sudden feeling and somebody is being very much excited. This is exclamatory sentence. Okay. Next, we shall now read the book loudly. This is assertive or declarative sentence. Okay, or we can say declarative sentence. All right. Next, how much money can you give me today? Question mark, interrogative. This is interrogative sentence. Okay. Next, some birds were flying above the tree. This is again assertive. Follow all my instructions carefully. This is imperative, as it is starting with the verb. Imperative sentences are those sentences which start with the verb. There is any command, order, request or advice. So as we can see, follow is verb. So it is starting with the verb. So this is an imperative sentence. Okay. Now C parts we have already done, but still some student will not have done. So this is for them. Answer the following question in yes or no with some information. Is the sum difficult? I'm answering this in yes. Yes, the sum is difficult. Okay. In which direction does the sun rise? The sun rises. The sun rises in the east. Okay. The sun rises in the east. Okay. Will you come to meet me tomorrow? No. I'm answering this as no. You can answer in yes also. No, I will not come to meet you tomorrow. Full stop. Okay. Which is the capital of India? Delhi. Delhi is the capital of India. Okay. Does your father tell you stories? Yes. Comma. My father tells me stories. Okay. What can we buy in 10 rupees? We can buy its answer you can write according to you. What do you feel like? You can write it. Okay, whatever you want to buy. Okay, we can buy a pen, as I have written here, a pen in 10 rupees. Okay, full stop. Now chapter number 2. This is page number 6. Okay, page number 6. Exercise A. Pick out subject from the following sentence. So in first sentence, they is subject. In second, she is subject. What I am doing, I am just circling the subject. Okay. In third sentence, the young man with a red hat. Okay, this is subject. Okay, Sarah is subject in fourth sentence. In fifth sentence, a cute baby is subject. Okay. In sixth, the mango is subject. In seventh, your house is subject. In eighth, only brave soldiers is subject. Okay, so these are the subjects. Now exercise number B, we are given some words which are jumbled here, but we have to arrange them to form a sentence. Okay, and what we have to do, add predicates. So these are basically predicates are given, but they are jumbled. Okay, they are not in a proper way, they are not in a sequence. We have to arrange them. Okay, so the painter is painting a natural scenery. Number 1. The painter is painting a natural scenery. So is painting a natural scenery. This is the sequence. Okay, 1 4 2 5 3. All right. Second, the students are writing an essay. So are writing an essay. 3 1 4 2. This is the sequence. Okay, sentence number 3. The principal of that school has helped us in the examination. Has helped us in the examination. So sequence is 1 4 5 2 6 3. Okay, the words will come in that way. Okay, the principal of that school has helped us in the examination. Fourth number, you should work hard enough. So you should work hard enough. Okay. Fifth, this bird can soar to a great height in the sky. Okay, can soar to a great height in the sky. Okay. Now sixth number, we shall swim in the pond tomorrow. Okay. Number 7, a donkey was braying in the forest. A donkey was braying in the forest. Number 8, they will light candles on Diwali. They will light candle on Diwali. Alright. Now number 8, add suitable subjects to the following predicates. So now what we have to do here, we have to add the subject here. Okay. So first, dash cuts my hair. Who cuts your hair? The barber. So I have written here, the barber cuts my hair. Second, dash cleans my room. Here you can write anything of your choice. So I have written here, the maid. The maid cleans my room. Number 3, dash paints door and windows. Who paints? The painter. So the painter paints door and windows. Number 4, dash barks at night. Who barks at night? The dog. The dog barks at night. Number 5, dash is going to fly an aeroplane. You can write any name here. I have written Mr. Sharma. Mr. Sharma is going to fly an aeroplane. Number 6, dash is mending my shoes. Who mends your shoes? The cobbler. So the cobbler, COBBLER. The cobbler is mending my shoes. Number 7, they were playing a cricket match. Okay, I have written here they, because were is plural. We have to write anything which will be a word which will be a plural. Okay, so I have written here they, pronoun they. My mother is cooking in the kitchen. Okay. Now exercise number D. Form suitable predicates using the given subject. Now you have to do it. Okay, maybe some have done. A little child was crawling. I have written it. Okay, was playing or laughing or anything you can write. CRAWLING. Full stop. A delicious apple was there on the table. Okay. He and she are coming together. You can write anything of your choice. Any sentence you can form here. Number 4, we are playing football in the ground. Full stop. Number 5, some naughty boys are teasing a boy. Full stop. Teasing spelling is TEASING. Teasing. Number 6, my friend helps me in my homework. Number 7, the sun rises in the east. Some colorful. Number 8, some colorful birds are chirping melodiously. Spelling is MELODIOUSLY. Chirping CHIRPING. P-I-N-G, chirping. Okay, so this was exercise number D of chapter 2 on page number 7. Okay, now chapter number 3, there is only exercise. Write the 8 parts of the speech. So that you will write from here: noun, pronoun, adjectives, verb, adverb, conjunction, preposition and interjection. Okay, just do, these were the book exercises. Do them. All right, and fill all exercises in your book. Okay, thank you so much for watching. In my next video I'll post the solution for those exercises which I have given you as homework. Okay, thank you so much for watching.